Hey there, modern farmhouse interior design enthusiasts. Ever find yourself dreaming of the rustic charm of a farmhouse blended seamlessly with the sleek lines of modern design? Well, today's your lucky day because we're going deep into the enchanting world of modern farmhouse decor. Just imagine this. You step into a house where rustic meets contemporary, where simplicity dances with elegance. But before we unveil the secrets to achieving this perfect harmony, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered how to transform your living space into a haven that captures the essence of modern farmhouse decor? If so, you're in for a treat. Today, we're uncovering the top interior design ideas for modern farmhouse decor, a comprehensive guide that will leave you inspired and ready to revamp your space. So enjoy this fascinating video. Now let's fast forward to the end of the enchanting world of modern farmhouse decor. We've just scratched the surface, but there's so much more to explore. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more inspiring content. Make sure to ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Until next time, design dreamers, may your homes be filled with love, laughter, and the timeless beauty of modern farmhouse decor. Stay inspired.